Any picture or bad luck Instagram chain story. Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can do this, add your sticker right here and where to find it. So keep on watching. First of all, you will have to go to your Instagram app and then click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. Now, from this place, you will have to go to November, add yours at highlights. If you go to my story, then you have to know that the story might expire in 24 hours, so you might not find it there. For that, you just have to go to November, add yours. Now tap until you find your desired sticker, and you can also try my other viral trends if you like. And if the highlights are not loading, you can go ahead and check out the description box below, and there you will find a YouTube tutorial that can help you with that. So there we have it. Click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, in the description box below I also have a tutorial if you are not able to click on the add yours button and a solution to fix it. So make sure to check that. Now you have to go to your uploads and choose any picture. So this means you just have to add any picture or you will have bad luck. I will go with this one right here. Now you can share this story with your friends. And if this video was useful, you can like it, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one, so you can turn on the notification bell and you will be notified once I will post another video. You can also comment in the comment section down below your questions, your thoughts about this ad yours, and I'll make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.